Hi, I'm here to show you how easy it is to upload your electronic portfolio to your learning platform. So I'm just going to scroll through. The image on the left is the bottom of a module guidebook lesson. So this will feature at the bottom of every single module guidebook lesson. You'll be able to see this blue box headed assignments. And if you look below it, there's a grayed out box which says browse. So if you click that button there, you'll be able to choose from your computer which document you'd like to upload. Next, quite simply, you just click that blue upload button and that will attach your document that you want to send to your assessor here onto the learning platform. Immediately you should see this green box pop up right at the top with a big tick. That's to notify you that the assignment has been successfully uploaded. You should also receive an email notification too, letting you know that it's been successfully uploaded. Underneath you should see this yellow waiting review. That is just telling you that your assignment is waiting for your assessor to review. By uploading the assignment, your assessor has been notified as well. So you don't have to do anything or email or let us know. That will happen automatically. And just to point out, you can see the assignment that you've uploaded under the assignment banner right there. Once your assessor has reviewed your work and has left a comment, there will be again another notification by email, and you'll be able to see this blue button which says comments. If you click on that, that will take you to your feedback. You may also have additional feedback and that will be uploaded as an additional document underneath your assignments as well. Once it's been approved, and that means your assessor has looked at your work, has completed your feedback and has approved it, you'll be able to see that green box at the top with a tick saying approved. And again, you should receive an email notification to let you know as well. And so the last thing to say is at the bottom, once you've got your assignment approval, you can click on that green button to say that lesson has been complete, and then you can move on to the next lesson. So hopefully you'll be able to see how easy that is, and that is just simply uploading your electronic portfolio.